Here I am going to show you how to do the configuration of Cudy VPN router port forwarding. For this purpose, we need to log in the router with a username and password. Then select Advanced Settings, Port Forwards. Here you can add the port forwarding policy. Press the Add button, then enter the name. Enter the name of policy or port forwarding name. This name we are using only for identifying the port forwarding configuration. Then select the protocol. Here you are able to see the TCP, UDP and TCP plus UDP. You can select the protocol as per the requirement or which is the service you are accessing from outside. That will be depend upon the service which you are using for external use. Then select the interface. This router having multiple WAN options. Here we have configured only one WAN. So I am selecting the WAN 1. Then enter the external port, which is the port you need to forward. Then enter the internal IP address, internal server IP address. Then enter internal port. Then press the save and apply option. If you want to add one more port forwarding, you can open the port forward again and then you can add one more policy. If you want to delete any of the policy, you can simply press the delete button, then confirm, then press the save and apply button. If you want to configure DMZ, you can select the DMZ from here. Then press the enable option, then enter the IP address of internal DMZ server. Then press the save and apply. If you want to disable the DMZ, you can select again the DMZ, then disable option of DMZ. Then press the save and apply button. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.